Crash Course on New Zealand Film Industry, a deep dive into the vibrant film industry in New Zealand, including the success of Peter Jackson's Lord of the Rings trilogy. The New Zealand film industry has come a long way since its humble beginnings. Today, it is a thriving industry that has produced a number of critically acclaimed films and TV shows, including the legendary Lord of the Rings trilogy. In this crash course, we'll take a deep dive into the vibrant film industry in New Zealand, exploring its history, successes, and notable films. History of New Zealand film industry. New Zealand's film industry has a long and rich history, dating back to the early 1900s. The first film made in New Zealand was Hinemoa, a silent film released in 1914. However, it wasn't until the 1970s that the industry began to gain traction, thanks to the New Zealand Film Commission, which was established in 1978 to support and promote the development of the local film industry. In the decades that followed, the industry continued to grow and flourish, producing a number of critically acclaimed films and TV shows, including the iconic Lord of the Rings trilogy, directed by Peter Jackson. Success of Lord of the Rings trilogy. The Lord of the Rings trilogy, based on J.R.R. Tolkien's classic novel, is arguably one of the most successful film franchises of all time. The trilogy was filmed entirely in New Zealand, using the country's stunning natural landscapes to bring Middle-earth to life on the big screen. The films were not only a commercial success, but they also received widespread critical acclaim, earning a total of 17 Academy Awards, including Best Picture for the final installment, The Return of the King. The success of the Lord of the Rings trilogy put New Zealand's film industry on the map, showcasing the country's natural beauty and technical expertise to the world. Top 12 popular New Zealand films. 1. The Lord of the Rings trilogy, 2001 to 2003. 2. Whale Rider, 2002. 3. Once Were Warriors, 1994. 4. Boy, 2010. 5. The Piano, 1993. 6. Hunt for the Wilderpeople, 2016. 7. What We Do in the Shadows, 2014. 8. Heavenly Creatures, 1994. 9. Eagle vs. Shark, 2007. 10. The Frighteners, 1996. 11. Goodbye Pork Pie, 1981. 12. In My Father's Den, 2004. These films showcase the diversity and talent of New Zealand's film industry, from the epic fantasy of Lord of the Rings to the poignant coming-of-age story of Boy. Summarization. In summary, the New Zealand film industry is a vibrant and thriving industry, with a long and rich history dating back to the early 1900s. The success of the Lord of the Rings trilogy put New Zealand's film industry on the map, showcasing the country's natural beauty and technical expertise to the world. The industry has produced a number of critically acclaimed films and TV shows, including the iconic Lord of the Rings trilogy and the powerful coming-of-age story of Whale Rider. Poem. The New Zealand film industry. A tale of talent and diversity. From Hinemoa to Lord of the Rings. A journey through time that sings. The landscapes of Middle-earth, brought to life with technical worth. The world was awed and amazed by the beauty that New Zealand raised. Whale Rider, Boy, and more. A showcase of talent to explore. The stories of the land and the sea. On the big screen, for all to see. Song. Verse 1. From Hinemoa to Lord of the Rings. New Zealand's film industry sings. A journey through time and history. A tale of talent and diversity. Chorus. Whale Rider, Boy, and more. The stories of the land and the shore. Verse 2. The world was awed by the scenery. The magic of Middle-earth, brought to be. Talent and technology, hand in hand. New Zealand's film industry taking a stand. Chorus. Whale Rider, Boy, and more. The stories of the land and the shore. On the big screen, for all to see. New Zealand's film industry, wild and free. Bridge. From the powerful to the poignant. New Zealand's films, they are never distant. The beauty of the land and the sea. A reflection of the country, wild and free. Chorus. Whale rider, boy, and more. The stories of the land and the shore. On the big screen, for all to see. New Zealand's film industry, wild and free. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences New Zealand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to New Zealand, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, and Hub Metaverse team.